This problem belongs to Unit 4 Introduction to Statistics, least square method problem. So, fit a problem, a parabola y equal to a plus bx plus c x square for the following production of a commodity from the year 1990 to 1996. Year and production are given. So, the years are 1992, 1996. The corresponding values 6, 7, 5, 4, 6, 7, and 5. So, solution for the problem. Solution. First write the given parabola equation, that is y equal to a plus bx plus c x squared. Consider this as a equation A. And then normal equations. Normal equation A equation summation on multiplied by summation on both sides, that is summation y equal to summation constant term we should write before, so summation plus b into summation x plus c into summation x squared. So summation this value summation 1. So there is no value in summation 1, the value is equal to n. The next step, summation y equal to n a plus b into summation x plus c into summation x squared. Consider this as first normal equation. Similarly, multiply the a equation by summation x, that is summation xy equal to a into summation x plus b into summation, already there is x, so summation x square plus c into summation, already there is x square multiplied by x means x cube. So this is the second normal equation. Similarly, first equation multiplied by summation x squared y, that is a into summation x squared plus b into summation x cube plus c into summation x power 4. This is third normal equation. See, in this equation we need summation y value, summation x value, summation x squared value, summation xy value, and then summation x power 3 value, summation x power 4 value, summation x squared value, x squared y values. To calculate these summation values, we need to work out the table. So here the table is the given data. Here is considered as T, and then production given is considered as Y. And then here x equal to, the formula is T minus 1993. 1993 because there are 7 values. So mid value is 1993. We should assume the mid value x equal to t minus 1993. That means here x value, t value 19, t value 1990 minus 1993. So the answer is minus 3. Similarly, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the next one is x squared value. Minus 3 whole square value is minus 9. Similarly, x power 3 value, that is minus 3 whole power 3, that is minus 27. Next one, x power 4 value. Minus 3 power 4 value, which is equal to 81. Then xy value, xy is x value minus 3, y value 6. So minus 3 into 6 is minus 18. The next one, x squared y value. X squared is 9, y value is 6. 9 6 are 54. So similarly for all the values, the last one is summation value. This is the summation y value, summation x value, summation x squared value 28, summation x cube value 0, summation x power value 196, summation xy value minus 2, summation x squared value will be 166. See, we found these values and then substitute these values in the normal equation. Substitute known values. Substitute known values. What are summation values in equation 1, 2 and 3. The first equation. The first equation is summation y. That value is 40 equal to NA. N is how many number of data given to you? There are 7 data. So N value 7, 7A plus, and then summation x. Summation x value is 0, 0B plus summation x squared value, that is 28. So 28C. Similarly, second equation is summation xy, that is minus 2 equal to 0a. 0a means summation x value plus 28b plus 0c. Substituted summation x squared value 28, summation x cube value 0. And the third equation 166. This is the value for summation x squared y. And then 28a plus 0b plus 196c. So using calculator, solving equation 1, 2 and 3, we get, using calculator we get answer A equal to 5.428, B equal to minus 0.071, and then C equal to 0.071. Substitute A, B, C values in equation A. So the A equation is y equal to A plus bx plus c x square. So the final answer y equal to A value 5.4. This is A value 5.428 plus B value. So B value minus is there. So minus 0.071 B into X. So B into X plus C value 0.071 x square. So the problem is completed.